Yeah, man. Leaking at the wall, you know? Have to take care of it. Hot water pipe like it a leak. So I go up in like a doctor, you see me? Next mission by Whyte's plumbing. So right here, you can see there's a slip joint in the wall. So I have to cut it out and connect it back. Because there's no space in the wall, we have to use 4 elbows down there and 2 more here to catch it back. Alright, so this is it. So now so they're drying. And then go back at it again. Alright. Yeah. Alright, flash. This is the area. But what happened is that it was a jacuzzi. So the man put it in a shower. So what happened is that this area, I forgot, we think we have to use a shower pan, if you know what's a shower pan. Or we have to build up this like about 4 to 5 inch thick. Cast it 4 to 5 inch thick. And then build the shower. If you look right this way, you can see there's a hole where that I can see into. You understand? So this is it. So we'll have to build this up about 4 inch thick and then brighten it up some more. Alright.